Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this question, an expression for the speed of sound based on van der Waals equation of state is to be derived here. So using the relation, we also have to find out the speed of sound in carbon dioxide and compare that obtained by ideal gas behavior. So before that, we have to take certain properties. Now, the properties of CO2 are equals to 0.1889 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Small k equals to 1.279. T equals to 50 degrees Celsius, and that is equals to 323.2 Kelvin. Now when we do the analysis, the van der Waals equation of state can be expressed by P is equals to RT upon V minus V minus A upon V squared. So when we are differentiating this, we get dou P upon dou V T equals to RT upon V minus V squared plus 2A upon VQ. Now noting that rho equals to 1 upon V, we get d rho equals to minus dV upon V squared, and thus the speed of sound relation becomes to be c square equals to k into dou p upon dou r t, that is equals to v square k into dou p upon dou v t. Now when we substitute this, we get c square equals to v square k r t upon v minus v the whole square minus 2ak upon v. Now using the molar mass of CO2, that is m equals to 44 kg per kilomole, the constant A and B can be expressed by unit mass as A equals to 0.1882 kilopascal meter raised to 6 upon kg square, and V equals to 9.70 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter cube by kg. Now the specific volume equation becomes 0.300 meter cube per kg. So when we put this value of V in this equation, which equation are we talking about? That is this. So when I put this equation in, substituting in 1, I get the value of C to be 271 meter per second. If we treat CO2 as an ideal gas, okay, so if CO2 is an ideal gas, then C will be equal to root of KT, which is equals to 279 meter per second. So this is the value that we get for CO2.